Fun, fun, fun. Fun, fun, fun. Fun, fun, fun. Fun, fun.
Ça commence bien.
James Dean posters on their wall. What sad little end to it all. Last seen having lots of fun. Barefoot on the run. I am mad from Scandinavia. I want a guy in the London area. He must be crazy and Sagittarius. 'Cause I am Leo and I'm hilarious. Which gives me fun, fun, fun. Journey fun, fun, fun. Fifi fun, fun, fun. Journey fun, fun, fun. Last seen drinking daddy's own beer. Singing out this Mamma Mia. Drop dead watching thunderbirds fly. Poster on their wall says why. Guide for Camden
Ça c'est
Town.
normal. Regarde ça. Et voilà.
Into a LA Motown, which gives me fun, fun, fun. Journey fun, fun, fun. Fifi fun, fun.
Allez, stop.
Journey fun, fun, fun. Feigning concern, so erotic pastime makes you feel doubtful. Right from the start, the expression she puts is exactly like last time. Got to conclude she just has enough heart.
Allez, allez. Excellent.
Journey fun, fun, fun. It's happy, arrogant. Think I might be happy if I was none of them and happy. It's a lovely place to be.
À gauche, voilà.
Casual, the barman is a she.
Allez.
With a haircut, smile, and the meaning of style is a night out with the boss.
Mais ils s'en vont,
Win or
c'est
you
pas grave.
lose, and it's them who choose. And if you don't win, then you've lost. What a good place to be. Don't believe it. 'Cause you speak a different language and it's never really happened to me. Don't believe it. Oh no. 'Cause it's never really happened for me. No.
Ah voilà.
It's another night out with a boss.
Tiens bon, marquez ça, tiens bon.
Footsteps over compromising his heart's wheel. Good women going trees. And if you catch them right, they will land upon the knees. Where they open all the wallets and they close all the minds and they look to pay all a drink. And if we ask all the questions and you take all your clothes up and back to the kitchen sink. What a good place to be. Don't believe it. 'Cause you speak a different language and it's never really
Qu'est-ce qu'il est fort,
Don't
ce
believe
papa.
it. Oh no.
Alors, au titre, hein.
What a good place to be. Don't believe it.